Palanding na tayo sa Guam. Ang Guam, 2 oras na lang papuntang Manila. Dilim. Guam. Palanding tayo ng Guam. Guam, pag nag-aeroplano ka, 2 oras na lang Pilipinas na. Para ka lang nagpunta ng Club Pampanga papuntang Davao City. Yun. From Manila naman to Davao City, 1 hour 45 to 55 minutes. So yung Club to Davao, parang Guam to Manila. Po. Puro ilaw naman. Ganda kasi. Gabi na kasi. Buti na lang. Maganda ang camera na cellphone. LG itong gamit ko eh. Kaya lang wala nang LG. Nag-pull out na sa Pilipinas. Ang ganda pa naman ang kuha nito. Pag si-selfie ako rito, inis ng mukha ko rito. Sayang wala nang LG na cellphone. Kawawa ng cellphone ko natin, hindi mabigyan ng case kasi nga wala na akong ayun, puro ulan. Ayun. Ito na yung runway. Magandang pagkalanding, pumapalaki yung mga pasahero. Pero sa US, kung maganda kay hindi, wala lang. Excuse me po, kami po'y magkalanding na po. Ano yung guide mo, yung pila na yung guide niya, yung straight line na pinaw, yung magka-guide sa aeroplano ng tarmac. And sa yun na yun, guide na pinaulo, pinasusundan na airplane yan, mag-u-turn, mag-right turn. Dinaanan hindi ko.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Guam. Local time here on Guam is 6:42 p.m. December 26th.
Guam
Stay
to
comfortably
Manila.
seated until the seatbelt sign is
1
off.
hour
You may
siguro ang layover
continue
namin
to charge
dito.
your phones and
Bababa kami,
tablets.
tapos
If you are
lilipat
seated
ng
in an
ibang
exit row,
aeroplano.
please don't plug your devices into the outlet. Don't forget to check your seat back pocket and area around your seat to make sure you have all of your belongings. And be careful when opening the overhead bin. Once the fasten seatbelt sign is turned off, please stand clear of the doors to allow flight attendants to complete important safety duties. Once you arrive at the gate, we'll be handing you off to our airport team. They'll be more than happy to answer any
Okay,
questions
bye-bye. Wala
you may
kang
have.
makikita yun.
On behalf of your entire United team and our Star Alliance partners, thank you for choosing to fly with us this evening. It certainly has been our pleasure having you on board.